Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Wednesday, April 26th, 51 glorious degrees outside. Got here just in time. We're taking apart the cold frames. I want to plant something. We got called on to count of rain yesterday. It was that nice soaking rain, rained all day today. It's pretty much quit. If it starts raining again, I'm not made of sugar. I probably won't melt. So come on, let's finish taking this apart. Well, it's starting to rain again, where I won't melt, the camera will. So let me go ahead and put the camera in the greenhouse. We'll come back out as soon as it stops sprinkling again. Well, that took me just a little longer than I thought, but check this out. Well, I was all worried about these blueberries. We're gonna have berries all over this. Same with our first one. You open that up a little bit, look how nice that cabbage is. Yeah, it was time for the cold frames to come down. You move around a little bit, you warm up. You know what we need to do? We need to get some tomatoes in the ground. Come on, let's plant. What do you think, 3 or 4? These are growing good. They need to get in the ground. I'll plant as many in this row as I can, and I'm gonna plant them kind of close together. But we're gonna trellis them, so it'll be all right. So come on, let's plant. And look at the roots on that. That needs to go in. Now, just like all the rest, we're just gonna pinch these bottom 2 leaves off. About 6 inches. Now this seems extreme, but it won't hurt the plant at all. And that entire stem will root. So it doesn't matter how deep you plant it. We'll just try to plant the biggest ones tonight. I'm gonna go kind of fast. But that's all you have to do. And that's the beginning of our tomato tunnel. Come check out the squash. Yellow squash are doing fantastic. This right here, the Swiss chard, this is beautiful. Planted that last year. That's what the deep mulch and cold frames and just a little pre-planting will do. Yesterday I was waiting on the second true leaf. It's going to third. I got to get this stuff in the ground this week. And I think I'll be able to since you stopped by today and helped me take apart the cold frame. That was a pretty big job. I wish I would have had a little more time to plant a few more things. Come with me, I got one more chore to do. Our little clusters of amaranth seem to be doing just fine. Now the chore is not really a chore. This is going to go to seed. We've already taken 2 of these out. I'm going to go ahead and remove this because we're going to plant in this area. Can you believe we planted this in September? This lasted all winter long. We ate on it at Christmas. We ate on it at Thanksgiving. You can do this too. It only takes a little pre-planting. If you want to learn more about the deep mulch, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. If you want to learn about the living soil, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.